Okay, so today we're going to learn how to password protect a document in LibreOffice. And we're going to be using the Writer document program. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to copy a little piece of this in this manual for the LibreOffice. We're going to open a new document. We're going to paste it in. Okay, we're going to dress this up just a little bit. Okay, great. And as you can see there, this is the instructions for saving a document using a password. We'll be using the save as. And when you save it for the first time, you'll have some options to put a password. Okay, so we're going to go save as. I'm going to put a name on this document. And after we've named it, you can see the box below that says save with password. We'll be checking that box. That will bring up the password box once we save it. We will enter the password twice. Okay, so at this point we're going to close it and open it back up, and we'll see that it should be password protected. Here we'll enter the password. Okay, and that's how you will password protect the document. And if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, ring the bell, and thanks for watching.